सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाचि मे सदा। सुप्रभातं, स्वागतं, शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। My dear students, welcome to online classes. We are learning Ruchira textbook of class 8. अद्य वयं त्रयोविंशे दिनाङ्के अष्टमकक्षायाः रुचिरा पाठ्यपुस्तकस्य तृतीयो भागः अष्टमवर्गस्य संस्कृतपाठ्यपुस्तकं पठन्तः। तत्र सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणम् इति कवितां पठामः। सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणम्। सदा अधिकम् एव, सदैव वृद्धिसन्धिः, पुरतः नाम अग्रे, निधेहि स्थापय, चरणं पदं सर्वदा अग्रे गच्छतु इति वदति इयं कविता। श्रीधर भास्कर वर्णेकर द्वारा विरचित प्रस्तुत गीत में चुनौतियों को स्वीकार करते हुए आगे बढ़ने का आह्वान किया गया है। इसके प्रणेता राष्ट्रवादी कवि हैं और इस गीत के द्वारा उन्होंने जागरण तथा कर्मठता का संदेश दिया है। अत्र श्रीधर भास्कर वर्णेकरः एतस्यां कवितायाम् अस्माकं जीवने यथा यथा समस्याः आगच्छन्ति ताः तथैव स्वीकार्याः, ताः अतिरिच्य अग्रे गन्तव्यम् इति बोधयति। एषः राष्ट्रवादी कविः आसीत्। एषः कर्मनिष्ठायाः जनजागरणस्य च भूमिकां निर्वहति एतस्यां कवितायां। पठामः कवितां। चल चल पुरतो निधेहि चरणं, सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणं। चल चल पुरतो निधेहि चरणं, सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणं। गिरिशिखरे ननु निज निकेतनं, विनैवयानं नगारोहणं। बलं स्वकीयं भवति साधनं, सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणं। पतिपाषाणा विषमाः प्रखरा, हिंस्राः पशवः परितो घोरा। सुदुष्करं खलु यद्यपि गमनं, सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणम्। जहीहि भीतिं भज भज शक्तिं, विधेहि राष्ट्रे तथानुरक्तिं। कुरु कुरु सततं ध्येयस्मरणं, सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणम्। इदानीं पठामः, प्रतिपदं पठामः स्पष्टतया, ध्यानेन शृण्वन्तु। चल चल पुरतो निधेहि चरणं, सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणं। गिरिशिखरे ननु निज निकेतनं, विनैवयानं नगारोहणं। बलं स्वकीयं भवति साधनं, सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणं। पथि पाषाणाः विषमाः प्रखराः, हिंस्राः पशवः परितो घोराः। सुदुष्करं खलु यद्यपि गमनं, सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणम्। जहीहि भीतिं भज भज शक्तिं, विधेहि राष्ट्रे तथा अनुरक्तिं। कुरु कुरु सततं ध्येयस्मरणं, सदैव पुरतो nidhehi charanam. Now I will tell you the meaning of each word. चल चला, चल नाम अग्रे गच्छतु, move forward. पुरतः, पुरतः नाम अग्रे, forward, front. निधेहि, स्थापय, keep. चरणं, पादं, always keep your feet ahead. सदैव, सदा अधिकम् एव, सदैव वृद्धिसन्धिः भवति, सदा, सर्वदा, नित्यं, always, एव, केवलं, only. पुरतः, पुरतः नाम अग्रे, front. निधेहि, keep. चरणं, पादं, feet. गिरिशिखरे, गिरेः शिखरे, गिरिशिखरे. गिरिः नाम पर्वतः, शिखरं नाम शृङ्खला, अत्युन्नतभागः, पर्वतस्य उन्नतभागः. गिरिशिखरे, ननु, निश्चयात्मकः भवति, ननु इति. निजं नाम स्वकीयं. निकेतनं, गृहं, भवनं, सदनं. निजं means your own, निकेतनं means house. विनैव, विना अधिकम् एव, विनैव वृद्धिसन्धिः भवति, विनैव, वितौट्, तं विना. यानं, यानं नाम वेहिकल्. नगारोहणं, नग अधिकम् आरोहणं, नगारोहणं. नगः नाम न गच्छति इति नगः, नगः नाम पर्वतः. आरोहणं, क्लैम्बिंग द माउंटेन. बलं, शक्तिः, बलं नाम शक्तिः. स्वकीयं, स्वकीयं नाम निजं, योर ओन, भवति, इट हैपेंस. साधनं, साधनं नाम करणं, इंस्ट्रूमेंट. सदैव पुरतो, निधेहि चरणं. पथि, पाषाणाः, विषमाः, प्रखराः. पथि नाम मार्गः, मार्गः, पन्थानः, राजपथ इति वदामः खलु. पथः नाम मार्गः. पथि सप्तमी विभक्ति, ऑन द वे, पथि मार्गे. पाषाणाः, पाषाणा नाम शिला, प्रस्तरः. विषमाः, विषमाः, समाः इत्यस्य विलोमपदं विषमः भवति, अनीवन्. प्रखराः, प्रखराः नाम तीक्ष्णाः, वेरी शार्प. हिंस्राः, क्रूयल्, क्रूराः. पशवः, मृगाः, पशवः नाम प्राणिनः, मृगाः. परितः, परितः नाम सर्वतः, सराउंडिंग यू. घोराः, घोराः नाम क्रूराः. सुदुष्करं, सुदुष्करं नाम अतीव कठिनं. सुदुष्करम् अतीव कठिनं. खलु इति एकः प्रयोगः. खलु नाम निश्चयात्मकः, एवं भवति खलु. यद्यपि, यद्यपि, यदि अधिकम् अपि, यद्यपि यण् सन्धिः भवति. गमनं, चलनं. सदैव पुरतो, निधेहि चरणं. जहीहि, जही, जही, जहीहि नाम मारय, किल. व्हाट? भीतिं, भीतिं नाम भयं. भज, भज नाम स्मरणं. भज भज, स्मरणं करोतु. कस्य? स्वस्य शक्तिं, शक्तिः नाम बलं. विधेहि, स्थापयतु. राष्ट्रे, राष्ट्रे नाम देशे. तथा, एवं. अनुरक्तिं, अनुरक्तिः नाम प्रीतिः. अनुरक्तिः नाम प्रीतिः, लव. कुरु कुरु, सर्वदा करोतु. किं? सततं, सततं सर्वदा, निरन्तरं, नित्यं. ध्येयस्मरणं, ध्येयं नाम गम्यं, एम. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर योर एम. सदैव पुरतो, निधेहि चरणं. चल चल पुरतो, निधेहि चरणं. सदैव पुरतो, निधेहि चरणं. गिरिशिखरे ननु निजनिकेतनं. विनैव यानं नगारोहणं. बलं स्वकीयं भवति साधनं. सदैव पुरतो, निधेहि चरणं. पथि पाषाणा विषमा प्रखरा हिंस्राः पशवः परितो घोरा सुदुष्करं खलु यद्यपि गमनं सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणं जहीहि भीतिं भज भज शक्तिं विधेहि राष्ट्रे तथानुरक्तिं कुरु कुरु सततं ध्येयस्मरणं सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणम्. श्रीधरभास्कर वर्णेकरः कथयति चल चल पुरतो निधेहि चरणं. My dear students, all your aims are very high. That's why, so we always say no, that always aim for the moon. If you miss, at least you will be among the stars. So always in the life you must have high aims about your aims. The Sridhar Bhaskar Varnekar, the greatest poet, is explaining how to succeed in your attaining your aims. Chala chala purato nidhehi charanam. The first thing is you should be active. Chala. You should keep on moving. Moving is very, very important in life. Keep on moving. Sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. If you cannot move forward fast, at least every time keep one step ahead. Sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. Keep your step ahead. Giri Shikhare Nanu Nija Niketanam. Your real house, that is, your real aim is on the top of the mountain. That means all your aims are so high. Giri Shikhare, on the top of the mountain. Nanu, Hena, Nija Niketanam. Your real house is on the top of the house. But Vinayvayanam Nagarohanam, to climb this aim of mountain, you don't have any vehicles with you. Vinayvayanam, without any vehicle, Nagarohanam, you have to climb the mountain. Then what will help you? Balam Swakiyam Bhavati Sadhanam. To reach your goals, what helps you is your own strength. What is instrumental to achieve your aim is your own strength. So, when you are climbing the mountain, what happens? Pati Pashanaha. So, on the way, it is not a cemented or tar road. You can climb very easily. No. Pati Pashanaha. On the way. So, that means the way of the life. Pati Pashanaha. Many stones are there. How they are? Vishamaha. These stones are uneven and prakharaha. They are very sharp. Many stones are very sharp. Then himsra pashavaha. There are animals also on the way. Who are they? Parito ghoraha. They are very cruel animals surrounded by you. Is it not? When you are when you want to meet your goals, there are many challenges. So the challenges, Sridhar Bhaskar Varnekara is explaining that to meet your aim, the first challenge is you have to climb up in the life, because your aim is on the mountain, on the peak of the mountain. At the same time, you don't have any vehicle to climb the mountain. What helps you really to climb the mountain is your own strength. Bhavatah Swabhalam eva tatra sadhanam bhavati. Evameva, at the same time, the way is not so smooth. The way is full of stones, and even the stones, the problems are not even. They are uneven problems. Every day, new problems will come. Somebody will tell what you have done is not correct. It is not the way to do. Is it? So that's why every day you have to Be ready to accept the change. My dear students, the best lesson for the life is you have to accept the change. Any change comes, don't sit back in your chair. So you have to keep on moving. When you are moving, automatically change will come. How is the change? The way is full of stones and it is uneven, and some challenges are so sharp like the stones. Some stones are very sharp on the way, no, like that. The challenges are very sharp. Himsra pashavaha, the competitors around you are not smooth sailing. So you are going, somebody comes in the highway by the side, in his track he goes. No, the life is not so. Some are very cruel. Some will pass you with the big horns. Horning is a very bad habit. Some don't leave it, is it not? So they don't not only want to overtake you, they want to trouble you also. Some will suddenly will stop, is it not? When you are going, you might have seen how it is difficult to drive in the highways, is it? And himsra pashavaha. Some people around you are so cruel, and sudhushkaram khalu yatyapi gavanam. So the way becomes very difficult to move. Everybody is troubling you. In a student life, how it is difficult? First of all, pandemic, very difficult. First of all, you cannot come to the school and study, but at the same time there are many challenges, is it? You are studying in your own room. Some may not be getting the technical support. Even some of you get, there may be neighboring mics will be there, is it? So many disturbance. Even a dog may bark, is it? So somebody may come to your house. There are so many difficulties. Even then, you should not stop concentrating on your studies. Sudushkaram, everybody knows it is very difficult, but you should not stop. The move is very difficult. Sadaiva purato nidehi charanam. Please move ahead. So you have to come over all the obstacles. What is very important is Jahihi Bhitim. First, kill your fear. For many of our failures, the main reason is not the difficulty in achieving it. It is the difficulty, it is the fear in us which stops us to achieve. So, first, kill your fear. Bhaja Bhaja Shaktim. Always remember that every human is very unique. So you are born meant you are very different. Understood? Bhaja Bhaja Shaktim. God has given you so much strength. Remember that you are strong. Vidhehi Rashtre Tathanuraktim. But whatever you do, always have love for your motherland. राष्ट्रे तथा अनुरक्तिम. अनुरक्ति ही नाम प्रीति. Always keep love for your nation. Kuru kuru satatam dheya smaranam. What I advise all the boys, that you just write in the front page, my aim is to become a successful army officer, naval officer, air force officer. So you write your aims. I want to become a great doctor, like that. Write your aims and always see, my today's effort must take me to reach my goal. So that is kuru kuru satatam dheya smaranam. You remember today what I am learning, it will take me to my goal. So I am learning to reach my goal. Sadaiva purato nidehi charanam. For that, my dear students, be sincere in your efforts. Sadaiva purato nidehi charanam. Always move ahead. Always move ahead. Success will be yours. Wishing you all the best. सर्वेभ्यः शुभं भवतु। एतां कवितां श्रद्धया पठन्ति चेत् जीवनोत्साहः वर्धते। भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनम्। अग्रे वयं कवितायाः अर्थं व्याकरणांशाञ्च अग्रिमकक्षायां पठिष्यामः। धन्यवादाः। भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनम्।